everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and turn off screen time without passcode on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead first, access your settings on your phone, and this kind of interface is gonna appear, right? Scroll down and tap on the screen time option. So screen time is actually a good function for you, but it actually also drains a lot of battery, so you want to turn it off. What you will do is simply scroll down and tap on this turn off, right? And then it will ask for you to enter your particular code that you created a while for this, right? So let's say if you forgot your code, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on this change screen time password. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you have to tap on this change screen time passcode again, and now it will ask you again your passcode, of course, but you have to tap on this forgot password instead, and which will lead you to this another section where you're gonna go ahead and enter your email or phone number, and then it will give you a recovery code for you, and you can go ahead and create yourself a new passcode and enter that passcode and turn it off. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.